Good product. As compared to other company, this is good quality inside products and materials. Nice. My favorite company to LG refrigerator is liked, so good product, nice colors. The product is awesome and its stabilizer is fabulous. And it is budget friendly also, there is huge space for storage. I used this product since 1 week and I love this. Thanks LG and thanks a lot Amazon. I have got a better deal in comparison to other e-commerce website and exchange deal also. Beautiful design, great cooling, but I have a problem with the vegetables storage box. It's too small in comparison of other fridge. So if you are okay with the small storage issue, go for it. Nice product from LG. No flaws. Go for it. Nice product. Best for this rate. Excellent working. Freezer size little small but fast in ice making. Good and nice product. Very happy with this product. For 3 to 4 family members, very good and work perfectly. Cooling performance mind-blowing, we can go for it. It's work really nice and performance is too good. LG company is excellent. All part of the fridge is work perfectly. The stand is too good. You can store onion and potato, blue color. Overall excellent. For 9/5. Delivery boy too good. Good working and excellent. Value for money. Nice product. Blue Dart took 150 rupees for transport charge. Why? The product is nice and good looking. I recommend to buy for 3 to 4 people. Ordered on 31 March and received on 04 April 19th. Started using on the 5th of April. Till now it looks nice and cooling is good. But when placed on floor without stand, it is not placed flat. It tilted on side. After putting it over stand, it is not tilted. Trendy cool design. Interior is pretty same as older, works good till now. Go for it. I like this product, but this product delivery by late. Packet has dispatched means packet has cut and rough. Item is scratched. Very nice product by LG. Looks very good and interior material is outstanding. Working and looking as showed in description. My family was totally happy. Amazon is a one of the member of my family list. Click link in description for more reviews.